Few features transform a home quite like a well-placed picture window. With their large, unobstructed glass panels, picture windows are designed to frame outdoor scenery and flood interiors with natural light. However, some homeowners worry that expansive glass might lead to temperature fluctuations or reduced comfort. The good news is that modern picture windows are built to deliver stunning views while maintaining indoor performance. For homeowners in Mandeville, picture windows offer the perfect balance between beauty and comfort. Framing the outdoors like artwork, picture windows are fixed windows that do not open, allowing for large, uninterrupted panes of glass. This design maximizes the visible outdoor area. In Mandeville homes, picture windows create a clean, panoramic frame for backyard landscapes, tree-lined streets, or garden spaces. By eliminating heavy framing or dividing lines, they provide a clear and immersive view. Bringing in natural light without overheating. One of the biggest advantages of picture windows is the amount of natural light they allow into a room. Bright interiors feel larger, more open, and more inviting. Modern picture windows are designed with advanced glass technology that helps manage heat transfer. In Mandeville living spaces, homeowners can enjoy sunlight without the excessive heat gain that older windows sometimes cause. Maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. Comfort often depends on stable indoor temperatures. Large glass areas in older homes sometimes created hot or cold spots. Today's picture windows are engineered to reduce temperature fluctuations. In Mandeville residences, this means rooms near the window remain comfortable throughout the day. Reducing drafts and air leakage. Because picture windows do not open, they have fewer moving parts. This contributes to a tighter seal compared to some operable window styles. For homeowners in Mandeville, this fixed design helps reduce air leakage. A properly installed picture window minimizes drafts and supports overall energy performance. Enhancing interior design flexibility. Picture windows serve as natural focal points. Their clean lines and expansive glass create a modern, polished look. In Mandeville homes, this allows homeowners to arrange furniture around the view rather than around bulky window frames. Living rooms, dining areas, and bedrooms benefit from the added visual depth. Protecting interior furnishings. Excessive sunlight can sometimes cause fading of furniture or flooring. Modern picture windows often include features that help filter harmful rays while still allowing ample light inside. Mandeville homeowners can enjoy bright spaces without worrying about interior damage. Creating a calm and open atmosphere. Views of the outdoors contribute to a sense of calm and openness. Even simple greenery or backyard features can enhance daily life. In Mandeville residences, picture windows make indoor spaces feel connected to nature without requiring doors to be open or walls to be removed. Supporting energy efficiency. Energy-efficient picture windows help reduce heat transfer while maximizing light. For Mandeville homeowners, this combination supports comfort and efficiency at the same time. The result is a home that feels bright but balanced. Long-term value and appeal. Picture windows add architectural interest and lasting appeal. Their clean design complements a wide range of home styles. Homes in Mandeville with thoughtfully placed picture windows often stand out for their brightness and visual impact, contributing to long-term value. The best of both worlds. Homeowners no longer have to choose between expansive views and indoor comfort. For residents in Mandeville, picture windows enhance outdoor views while maintaining temperature control, reducing drafts, and supporting energy efficiency. By combining advanced performance with stunning aesthetics, picture windows allow homeowners to enjoy the beauty outside without sacrificing the comfort inside.